Today, a 14-year-old student in India reduced her family's electricity bill by 38% just using a free AI application. While a small bakery in London cut food waste by half using an AI-powered inventory tool. And one AI robot in Japan cleans an entire beach every single night without a human. If you think AI is only for tech people, stay with me, because today I will show you how anyone, even you, can use AI to live sustainably, effortlessly. This is not the future, it's happening right now. Hello everyone, this is MsMorningMuse, your daily dose of self-growth, awareness and smarter living. If you want a life that is not just successful but meaningful, you are in the right place. If you want a life that is not just successful but meaningful, you are in the right place. And today's video is special, not because it is about artificial intelligence, but because it is about you and the teeny choices you make every day that can change your world and the world around you. This video will show you how artificial intelligence saves your electricity bill, how AI reduces your waste, how AI helps you choose eco-friendly products, how AI improves your health through sustainable habits, and how you can use these tools immediately, even if you are not a tech savvy. And yes, stay until the end because I will give you 3 free AI tools that literally transform your lifestyle overnight. Segment 1 is the problem we ignore. Let's start with a hard truth. We are living in a world drowning in waste. Food waste, plastic waste, energy waste, attention waste. Every year, human waste 1.3 billion tons of food, enough plastic to circle Earth 6 times, billions of units of energy we don't even use. But here's the twist. Most of this waste doesn't come from big factories. It comes from ordinary homes, homes like yours and mine. Not because we don't care, but because we don't have the time to track everything manually. This is where AI becomes a hero, not a robot replacing you, but a digital friend guiding you, almost invisibly. Let me show how. Segment 2. How AI reduces energy waste. Meet Neha, a 14-year-old girl from Pune. Her family always had high electricity bills. One night, she tried an AI-powered energy consumption tracker app. Next morning, the app told her, "Your fridge is consuming 23% more power than it should be. Your water heater is turned on for 7 extra hours every week. Your Wi-Fi router is wasting overnight power." She made teeny changes. Her bill dropped by 38%. If a 14-year-old can do this, imagine what you can do. AI tools you can use. Sense Home Energy Monitor detects hidden power drains. Hume AI Smart Assistant gives emotional-friendly reminders. Google Nest AI auto-controls your temperature for minimal energy loss. Don't go anywhere. The next segment reveals the AI that's saving millions of meals every year. Segment 3. AI versus food waste, the silent revolution. Do you know that 30% of groceries brought by families end up in the trash? But AI is fighting back. A bakery in London used to throw away leftover pastries overnight. They installed an AI inventory assistant. It studied customer patterns, predicted rush times, and suggested exact baking quantities. Result: 50% food waste reduction, 30% profit increase. AI literally told them, bake 17 pastries today, not 25. Simple and effective. Tools for you that can help you. Too good to go. AI-powered food rescue. Pantry check AI. Google Gemini shopping assistant suggests long-lasting ingredients. In the next part, you will discover how AI can make you healthier and save the planet at the same time. Segment 4. AI for a sustainable lifestyle and health. People think sustainable living is about saving the earth, but it actually starts with saving yourself. AI habit tools that transform you are Clara AI, tracks carbon footprint through daily actions. MyFitnessPal AI mode, choose eco-friendly meals. Samsung AI Health recommends outdoor exercises to reduce energy use at the home. Small changes, walking instead of motorbikes, cooking sustainable meals, using sunlight instead of bulbs. These all habits save electricity, improve your health and reduce emissions all at once. Segment 5. Sustainable shopping with AI. AI is changing the way we shop. Green labels, product comparison charts, and everything that you want. Now every time you search for a product, AI can show you whether it is eco-friendly or not, whether the packaging can be recycled, whether it's ethically sourced, whether the brand pollutes rivers or supports sustainability. Artificial intelligence does the research so you don't have to. The tools that you can use: Good on You AI rates clothing brands, Amazon AI Eco Rating, Ecosia plant trees with your searches. Stay with me, the next segment is fun and surprising. Segment 6. AI Eco Gadgets that feel like science fiction. These AI inventions look like science fiction, but they are real. AI ocean cleaner robots that collect microplastic at night. AI smart bins that detect recyclable items. AI water sensors that prevent leaks in homes. AI solar roofing that adjusts panels automatically for max energy. AI solar roofing that adjusts panels automatically for max energy. AI garden assistant that grows plants based on weather prediction. Humans created pollution, but humans also created the tools that can easily fix it. Segment 7. How you can start today. 3 free AI tools. Let's make this practical. Here are 3 tools that can use right after this video, even if you have never used AI before. Google Gemini Assistant. Just ask it, show me 5 ways to reduce energy waste in my home. Instant plan will be given to you. Too Good to Go or Magic Table. It helps to rescue leftover food around you. Ecosia browser can help you to plant 1 tree in every 45 searches. You don't need money, you don't need experience, you only need a decision. If today's video made you think, if it opened your eyes, if it made you believe that your actions matter, then you have already taken the first step towards sustainable living. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to save the whole planet. You just need to do the next right thing and let AI guide you. Thank you for watching Miss Morning Muse. If you want more videos that make your morning mindful, meaningful and magical, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which AI tool are you going to use first. See you tomorrow. Stay mindful, stay magical.